Regional connectivity is reshaping international partnerships, with India's northeastern region at the center of evolving geopolitics between India, Japan, and the Bay of Bengal area. India's Act East policy and Japan's free and open Indo-Pacific vision converge to create real opportunities for sub-regional integration, positioning the Northeast as an economic gateway. Japan invests in hard connectivity through road networks and bridges, and supports soft connectivity in healthcare, disaster risk reduction, and sustainable forest management, laying the foundation for prosperity. Bay of Bengal maritime routes are now accessible from the northeast, thanks to Japan-backed projects and coordination via BIMSTEC and the Act East Forum. Indian and Japanese enterprises are expanding industrial value chains in advanced sectors like semiconductors and biofuels, driving commerce, employment, and innovation. For UPSC answers, anchor your points in policy intersections, reference Japan's targeted support, India's vision, and the forum's driving implementation. The Northeast is evolving into a nodal point of Indo-Pacific integration. Regional connectivity is shaping a new transnational economic corridor, strengthening India-Japan ties and benefiting the Bay of Bengal. Use this framework to transform your awareness into readiness and write with precision and authority for UPSC Mains.